How to explain gallbladder stone. Thank you for your support. Subscribe, share. Gallbladder surgery, also known as cholecystectomy, is a medical procedure performed to remove the gallbladder. The gallbladder is a small organ located beneath the liver, and its primary function is to store bile, a substance produced by the liver that helps in digestion of fats. If the gallbladder becomes diseased or develops gallstones, it can lead to various complications and discomfort. Here's a simplified explanation of the gallbladder surgery process. Preparing for surgery. Before the surgery, you will typically undergo a thorough evaluation, including blood test, imaging scans, and a consultation with a surgeon. This helps the medical team assess your overall health and determine the best course of action. Incision or laparoscopic approach. There are two methods of gallbladder surgery. The traditional approach involves making a single larger incision in the abdomen, whereas the laparoscopic approach uses several small incisions and specialized instruments to remove the gallbladder. Accessing the gallbladder. In a laparoscopic procedure, the surgeon inserts laparoscopy, a thin tube with a camera attached through one of the incisions. This allows them to visualize the surgical area on the monitor. Other small instruments are inserted through the remaining incision to perform the surgery. In a traditional open surgery, the surgeon directly accesses the gallbladder through the larger incision. Removing the gallbladder regardless of the surgical approach, the surgeon will carefully detach the gallbladder from the liver, bile ducts, and blood vessels. If you have gallstones, they may be removed along with the gallbladders. In some cases, a specialized X-ray called intraoperative chalangography may be performed to examine bile ducts during the surgery. Closing the incision. After the gallbladder is removed, the surgeon will close the incision with stitches, staples, or adhesive strips. In a laparoscopic surgery, the incisions are typically small and may not require many sutures. Recovery. After the surgery, you will be moved to a recovery area where the medical staff will monitor your vital signs and ensure that you wake up from anesthesia safely. Depending on the extent of the surgery and your overall health, you may need to stay in the hospital for a day or two. The recovery period at home usually involves resting, taking prescribed pain medication, following a special diet, and gradually resuming normal activities over time. It's important to note that this is a general overview, and specific detail of your gallbladder surgery may vary based on your individual circumstances and surgeon's preference. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized information and guidance regarding your specific situation. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your